students from class 10. We are presenting about social challenges. I would like to call Kushi and Azan to speak about child labor.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Kushi. I am from 10th class. Today I am telling about child labor.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Abdullah. I am studying 10th class. I am telling about child labor.
According to the Constitution, child laborers are those who are aged below 14 years and work in order to earn money. The labors undertaken by minor children are called child labor. The children below 14 years are being employed in various fields. Majority of the child laborers work in rural areas like fields, farms and plantations.
In many deployment countries like Indian, exploitation and employment of children and are repriment social evil.
Poverty, domestic facilities, diverse, domestic violence, excessive control, industrials, literacy, kidnapping of child and plundering them.
It is assessment grant protection year by year. The government has decided to take serious measures to free children from employment and exploitation and related them.
The effects of children due to ill health, lack of nutrition, food and proper medical facilities, forced employment, economic and social exploitation. Thousands of children are suffering from this problem even today. Remedies measures. The central government has launched a program is called Rehabilitation Welfare Fund of Child Laborers, through which their educational, medical and fundamental needs can be fulfilled.
Child labor is the result of a serious decline in the social system.
A small thought for child labor. Childhood is for learning. Don't use their childhood for earning. हम सब ने ठाना है, सब मजदूरी को देश से मिटाना है. बाल श्रम हटाओ, बच्चों का बचपन बचाओ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Basraj from class 10. Today I am speaking about child marriage.
स्टार्ट।
आप सब लोग बाल विवाह के बारे में कुछ तो जानते हैं यहाँ पे? बाल विवाह के बारे में आप लोग कोई तो जानते हैं क्या? कोई बता सकता है? यस सर नो? तो अब चाइल्ड मैरिज के बारे में, बाल विवाह के बारे में हम आगे जानते हैं पढ़ के।
Child marriage. Child marriage is traditionally one of the major problem in our society.
बाल विवाह हमारे देश की सबसे बड़ी नाकामयाबी की ये है, प्रॉब्लम है।
According to the law, the marriage that takes place between a boy below age of 21 and a girl who is below 18 years is called a child marriage.
लड़के की उम्र 21 साल रहनी चाहिए और लड़की की उम्र 18 साल रहनी चाहिए। अगर उससे कम उम्र की रहे तो उसे बाल विवाह कहा जाता है।
If a girl who is below 18 years of age married to a boy more than 21 years age is also considered as a child marriage.
लड़की की उम्र 18 साल से कम है और लड़के की उम्र 21 साल से ज्यादा है तो वो भी बाल विवाह कहा जाता है।
First, it is illegal. Second, for a girl to enter an institution of a marriage, she should be mentally and physically prepared to manage the functions of marriage.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो ये गैर कानूनी काम है, तो लड़की को फिजिकली और मेंटली स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए। आगे अगर उसके सामने कोई भी आए तो उसका डर के सामना कर सके।
Child marriage is considered as a crime. A child marriage affects not only married couple but it also affects the physically and psychologically well-being of children born out of such as marriages.
बाल विवाह खाली बच्चों को ही अफेक्ट नहीं होता है, शादीशुदा उनको भी अफेक्ट होता है और उनके बच्चों को भी अफेक्ट होता है।
As the children do not go to school and they end up with marking earlier, get her married unless she attained the age of 18 years.
जो बच्चे स्कूल छोड़ देते हैं उनकी शादी जल्दी हो जाती है।
How to prevent child marriage? The government of Karnataka has designated 47 officers of different levels such as the child marriage preventing officers.
हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने 47 ऑफिसर्स बनाए गए हैं। अगर कोई भी आपके आजू बाजू कहाँ पर भी आपको दिखे बाल विवाह करते सो तो आप जल्दी से उनको कॉल करके बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे बाल विवाह हो जा रहा है। कॉल नंबर 1098।
Implementing the education development programs without labs can be prevent school dropout for 18 years of age. This means all the children within 18 years of age should be within the schooling system and should be have 100% of attendance. Similarly, birth registration is compulsory and 100% birth registration target is needed.
और उनके पेरेंट्स एजुकेटेड रहना चाहिए। अगर उनके पेरेंट्स एजुकेटेड रहेंगे तो बच्चे आगे पढ़ के आगे कुछ तो कर सकेंगे।
Child Marriage Prohibition Act 2006. This act applies to all states of India.
ये एक्ट सभी राज्यों में बनाया गया है 11 दिसंबर 1992 में।
It is a crime even a major man marries a minor girl or vice versa. It is also called a child marriage.
अगर काम पे भी बाल विवाह हो रहा है, अगर उनके रिलेशनशिप वो बाल विवाह में उपस्थित हो रहे हैं तो उनको 2 साल की सजा हो सकती है और 1 लाख का जुर्माना भरना पड़ सकता है। थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।
Simran and Jai to talk on the topic of dowry system in India.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Simran. I am from 10th class. Today I am talking about dowry system. Do you know about dowry system? Dowry means dahej. Dowry is a custom associated with Indian system of marriage. It is called Vara Dakshina Kannada. In Kannada, Vara means a boy marriageable age. Dakshina is a giving of gift. It is a gift to giving bridegroom. Any kind of property, jewelry or gifts giving to the bridegroom at the time of marriage, before and after the marriage is known as dowry. Giving or receiving dowry is a punishable crime. जो भी शादी के वक्त दहेज लेते वो एक क्राइम है, नहीं लेना चाहिए। When the bride family can't afford to satisfy the bridegroom demand for money, jewelry, etc.
Good morning everyone, my name is Uday Kumar, I am studying 10th class. Effects of dowry system. Dowry demands women's self-respect, dignity and stage. It leads to selfish family or relationships surface. The number of divorces are also rising.
In order to legal the Dowry Act in 1961. Under this act, marriage under the condition of being providing dowry is prohibited. Those who violate this law are fined 5,000 penalty or spent to jail for 6 months. Sometimes both the penalty are imposed. जो भी दहेज के लिए गर्ल्स को फोर्स करते हैं उन लोगों को 5,000 फाइन एंड 6 महीने की जेल की सजा हो सकती है. This act was amended in 1986 and made strict according to the any person who give, take or force to giving dowry can be for 5 years and fined 15,000 penalty. Dowry that have been brought under the of Indian Penal Code and Indian Criminal Code, they can be tried only as non-officials. Now I want to tell 2 lines for boys.
Be a man, say no to dowry. Shame on those who demand dowry. Don't degrade yourself by demanding dowry. And I want to tell few lines for girls. Don't sell yourself. Have a self-confidence. You better have giving, better deal in life. Don't deal with dowry. Thank you. Now I want to call Amrut and Karthik to speak about POSCO Act. Thanks.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Amrut, I am from class 10. Today I am telling about the POSCO Act.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Karthik. I'm studying in the 10th standard. I'm telling about POSCO Act.
The protection of children from sexual offence, including recognizing different acts of abuse. Defining a child as under 18, making the laws generally neutrally, and establishing child-friendly investigation process and special courts. Punishments for both offenders and those who fail to report abuse.
The requirement of reporting and responding to complaint with 24 hours. The Act provides for establishment of special courts for trial of such offence. The Act finds its
The Act finds its constitutionally basis in Articles 14, 15, 3 and 21A of the Constitution of India. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act is aimed at curbing the increasing number of sexual assaults on children in schools, families and public places these days. Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012 has been passed, preventing the increasing sexual violence against children in schools, families and public places. Thank you.
What is the child helpline number? 1098. Once again repeat. 1098. Say loudly. 1098.